Click here to start the sign-up process. Make sure you see Ben Hubner below the sign-up form to qualify for my free traffic bonus. Enter your email and click on the button. Now enter your name and username and click Save. Click the Save button. Make sure to check your email now for your map password. If the timer hits 0, you need to start from the beginning. This is a traffic video course. You will find info about how to drive traffic in your free membership, including advanced information about Facebook ads, solo ads, etc. If you plan to upgrade, save the money as it is included in any upgrade. This is the same info, but as PDF only. Great. Now you are a MAP member. Make sure to watch the orientation webinar, check out the menu on the left, and browse the information about list building, email marketing, traffic and video marketing, bonus creation, and much more. On the left, you see the menu. To set up your account properly, click on Leads first. Connect your autoresponder to capture leads whenever someone signs up to Maps. If you have none, I suggest using Aweber. You can use it for free with up to 500 leads. Here you find emails to add as sequence and send out to people joining Maps. Click the button in the List Building section. If you click on List Building, you will find not only info about it, but also a free report you can use to build your list before people signing up to Maps. Click on Video Marketing to find ready-to-use videos to promote Maps. Check out the other sections inside for more quality information. Click on Social Media for ready-made social posts to promote Maps, and some good training, of course. This is your tracking link to share. Click here to learn how to add a tracking ID. Hint, just add this after the URL, your tracking ID. Here you find all products you can access. Like I said, very good information. This is the upsell, normally 27 USD. Discover how to build your digital assets fast. Great info inside here.